Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to mathematics recorded session for class 6. Our today's topic is time from chapter 9 of mathematics book new syllabus D1. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to read and write time according to the 12-hour clock system and 24-hour clock system. You will also learn how to read and write the time in AM and PM. This lesson will also enable you to convert time from 12-hour to 24-hour clock system and 24-hour to 12-hour clock system. Okay, now we are going to start today's lesson with the definition of time. In mathematics, time can be defined as the ongoing and continuous sequence of events that occur in succession from the past through the present to the future. Time can be measured in seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years. We can tell the time by using two different types of clocks. You can see on the left hand side, it is the same kind of clock we use in our houses, where numbers are written from 1 till 12. This kind of clock is called analog clock. It also has minutes, hours, and seconds needle. Another clock on the right hand side at the bottom is called a digital clock. It shows time using 4 digits. We are going to study two ways of representing time, that is 12-hour clock notation and 24-hour clock notation. We will begin with 12-hour clock notation. As you all know, there are 24 hours in a day, and these 24 hours are divided into two halves in the 12-hour clock system. As you can see in the slide, the first half of the day starts from 12 midnight, or we can represent it as 12 AM, and it ends at 11:59 AM, where AM stands for anti-meridian. Mid of the day is represented as 12 noon, and it is also written as 12 PM, where PM stands for post meridian. Another half of the day starts from 12:01 PM and ends at 11:59 PM. New day begins with when the clock shows 12 AM. I hope you have understood till here. This is the same time 12-hour clock notation which we are daily observing, right? Okay, now let's move on to another hour clock system, that is 24-hour clock system. In this system, the day is not divided into two parts, but is a continuous period of 24 hours. Time is written as the number of hours that have passed since midnight, and AM and PM is not written. In this system, time starts at 12 o'clock midnight and it is known as 0 hour because it is represented as 0000, 4 digits. So it means 24-hour clock system uses 4 digits to represent time. In this representation, the 2 zeros on the left are for hours and the 2 zeros on the right are for the minutes. The hours and minutes are not separated by a colon as it is in the 12-hour clock notation. The first hour after 0 is counted as 100 hour. 2 a.m. will be written as 0200 hours. 6 a.m. will be written as 0600 hours and so on. 12 in the afternoon or 12 p.m. is written as 1200 hours. After 12:59 hours, the time shows 1300 hours instead of 1 p.m. This goes on and the counting continues till the time reaches 2359 hours. When one more minute passes, the clock shows 2400, which indicates the end of the day at midnight. And at the same time, it also shows 0000 again, which means the beginning of a new day. Now we will convert time from 12-hour clock system to 24-hour clock system. There are 3 important rules we need to follow. When we convert time from the first hour of the day, and when I say first hour of the day, it means from 12 a.m. to 12:59 a.m. This is the first hour of the day. When we are changing time from the first hour of the day, we subtract 12 from the hour side. In this example, 12 is subtracted from 12:35 a.m. and after subtraction we get 0035, which is 24-hour clock notation. Another rule: when the time from 1 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. needs to be converted, then we simply remove colons from between the numbers. There is no change needs to be made. As you can see in the example, 12:20 a.m., which is the time in 12-hour clock notation, it needs to be changed into 24-hour clock notation. The time will be 11:20. There will be no colon sign, no AM written. Another example is 12:30 p.m. The number remains same but without colon and without PM. Let's see another example. Another rule actually. If we want to change time From 1 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. we add 12 to any hour after noon. After noon time means after 12 o'clock. Means after midday. If we want to change any time, then we have to add 12 hours. Let's see the example. 4:45 p.m. and this is the time after 12 noon. So if the time is after 12 noon, we just add 12 to get the time in 24-hour clock notation. Now here the table shows conversion of time from 24-hour clock notation to 12-hour clock notation. First rule is to add 12 to the first hour of the day. First hour of the day starts from 0000 and ends at 0059 in 24-hour clock notation. If in 0059 we add 12, it becomes 12:59 a.m. The second rule is to keep numbers same from 100 hours to 1159 hours. No change occur except the addition of colon and am in 12-hour clock notation. Same we will do with another group of numbers, that is from 1200 to 1259 hours. We will keep the numbers same. Do not forget to write PM as time is after 12 noon. In the last group of numbers that shows time from 1300 to 2359 hours in 24-hour clock notation, we subtract 12 to get answer in 12-hour clock notation. In this slide, the tables show the conversion of time from each hour of the day from 12-hour clock notation to 24-hour clock notation and vice versa. Read both the tables carefully to find time in both notations. Okay, you are going to do exercise 9C question 1 and 2 as a practice question in your maths notebook. There is one quiz uploaded in Google Classroom. You are going to attempt that quiz and don't forget to click the submit button. In the end, I would like to thank you all. Have a nice day and Allah Hafiz.